Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty's a Girl, chapter 86. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xinyan and the little queen. Back to General Tantay. Finally, she was already inside the palace, and now she was going inside to take the throne and give it to Xinyan again. The evidence is really irrefutable. Why don't you open the city gates and welcome His Majesty's back to the palace? Xinyan said to them. Eliminating His Majesty's is seriously ill. This what is going on? The palace guard, they're all confused. I am still so young, and I don't want to be charged a rebellion. The palace guards said to General Tantaylan. One of the head guards said, this person has shaken the morality of the army. Well, some of them has been controlled by the Queen Mother itself, and they're not listening to Tantaylan's order. Guard the city gate for me. One of the generals said. Some of them are believing and said yes. Well, this was really insane. Right now, it turns out the heads of the palace are going to battle each other. Xinyan, together with Tantaylan, and in the palace, the Queen Mother and also their minions are going to battle Xinyan's and Tantaylan's army. Well, let's see on who's gonna win. Following the Queen Mother's order, eliminate all the rebels, one of the guards said. Now, it really makes sense. He was really ready to fight General Tantaylan in this battle. Well, this is not good, right? Now, General Tantay said, the deputy commander is decisive and ruthless. What a great skill, General Tantay said to him. No wonder he can have a place in front of the Queen Mother, General Tantay said to him. Now, Xinyan, she already speaking up. What? But after more than a month, did the adults knows that this emperor? Now, Xinyan told him, well, probably until now, she is not being remembered. Well, why suddenly, all of the guards and subordinates remember her and said, Your Majesty, haven't you already? Your Majesty, didn't the deputy commander says that General Tantay eliminated Your Majesty? Oh, it turns out everyone now knows that they're all lying and also plotting against His Majesty. What has happened? Xinyan is asking them. Now, this is the perfect chance to get back on the Queen Mother's side. Died on the hands of the people that just sent to eliminate me. Xinyan said to them, well, right now, the Queen Mother was gathering all of the important ladies in the palace, especially the Queen. She was still holding hers. The Queen Mother, she seems to be furious. Right now, she was holding Jiangshu and Jiangshu. Well, all she can do is to follow the Queen Mother's order. Well, let's see that General Tantay and Xinyan can able to get back the palace throne. Didn't you say that the emperor was seriously injured? The Queen Mother is asking them. Everyone was looking at hers, especially right now. She got really furious about something. Good. How dare your family team up to deceive me? The Queen Mother is asking the Queen. Well, since of course, they have been coordinating well. The Queen Mother said, someone came. Well, she doesn't know that Xinyan and General Tantay was the person who comes in the palace, and she was expecting another king from another region, but it turns out it was only General Tantay and the Empress who came to be able to save the Queen and also to get back to power. You guys, save Lance. The Queen Mother, she's getting furious about this. If it weren't for my mother's greed, Nyan Nyan and I would be have ended like this. The Queen said to the Queen Mother, it's time for this play to end. The Queen said to her mother, why don't you retreat quickly? If you surrender now, His Majesty and His Majesty will let you live. Well, what will the Queen Mother is going to do? It seems that she is not the easy person who will bend her knees to the others, especially for Xinyan. Now, the Queen Mother, this is your last chance. The little queen said to her, well, definitely, she will get furious about this. Of course, the Queen Mother, she is a kind of person who also prideful. After this happened, of course, she won't really easily go down on her position. The Queen's mother's family collided with the Tantaylan's family and found an impostor. They're the ones who waiting the chance to change this dynasty. Now, she is really getting furious. Hurry off and do it for me to eliminate her, the Queen Mother said to the palace guard. But now, it really makes sense. Tantailan, she was screaming and said to the Queen Mother that she is a witch. Well, right now, Tantailan, she's losing her vision. Well, she got really fierce about the Queen Mother. She knows that Xinyan suffered a lot because of her mother. Xinyan said, I don't want to go to war with you. My repeated tolerance has only given rise to many delusions in you. Xinyan said to her mother, do you know why the king of the Nanyan doesn't come? Well, Xinyan, did you know everything about this? It turns out the Queen Mother, looking at her face, she was not believing on this. How did you know the whereabouts of this king? Be honest, it is you. You betrayed me. It's not me. It's not really me. No matter what, please spare my life. It was my sister who asked me to come here. You think he's willing to serve you, but in fact, he has even made a dragon robe and just waiting to reap the benefits. Well, at this moment, don't you understand? Or do you think that you can deceive the world and change the dynasties and hold on the power? Xinyan said to her mom. Xinyan said, I am right, mother. Well, right now, she was dissing the Queen Mother, but the Queen Mother, her hands, it was really getting shaky. Well, probably right now, she don't know what to do. All of her minions are doubting herself that she can able to handle this. Your throne was obtained by me through my plannings. You are worthy of being the emperor, so why can't I be the emperor? Aren't the late emperor and the whole world is being played around by me? The Queen Mother said to Xinyan, Emperor, His Majesty, it's too fun to play around with the late emperor, the world together with me, isn't it? Now, she is really getting crazy. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen. The little queen said she was trying to call the Queen Mothers. Maybe the Queen Mother will tell them that Xinyan is a girl, not a boy. Well, let's hope we'll not really lose ourselves to tell them about this. Now, Xinyan said good, but some of the palace guard has been surprised. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next between the Queen Mother and Xinyan and also Tantailan. Let's hope everything will be fine and solved on a righteous way. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Angel Kogi, thank you for joining membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!